Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. In the last video you learned about apply editing and formatting features. If you didn't see that video, don't worry, I will give a link in a description. And one more thing my dear students, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now and also press the bell icon for the latest update. In this video, we will discuss about tables, that is a very interesting method in the openoffice.org. You are really enjoying. Please watch the video till the end. Let's start. First topic, working with tables in Writer. A table is a grid, an arrangement of rectangles or cells in rows and columns. You can use tables to format all and part of your document into columns and rows. You need tables because they are the best way to organize graphics, columns, headings and rows. There are three terms. First one is a column. A column is a grouping of cells that run from top to bottom of a page. And second keyword is a row. Row is a grouping of cells that run from left to right of the page. And third keyword is a cell. The insertion point between a row and column is a cell. Next one topic, inserting tables. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to insert a table in a Writer document. First of all, position the cursor where you want to inserting a table and then click insert menu and then click a table, and this window will be appear. This is a insert table window, and then type here the name of the table and then select the number of columns here and select the number of rows here and then click OK button and your table is inserted. Then enter the data here, roll number, name, class and mobile number. These are the field name and fill the entries here. First, roll number 1, enter the name Ram, class 10th and type a mobile number here and then adjust the width of the column and then type the other entries here. Your table is ready. Next topic, inserting rows and columns. Let's do the practical and see how to insert a row and columns in the Writer document. So firstly, click the last cell and then click insert row and then enter the entries here, roll number 5, name Maya and class and mobile number same, just copy and paste it. Select the data, copy and then paste. For inserting a column, firstly click where you want to insert the column and then click insert column button. New column is inserted. Enter the field name, section and then enter the entries of the first student. Section is B and then just copy and paste into the other cell because this table is the same section select the rows and then paste. Press a shortcut key Ctrl V and then adjust the column width one by one. This is a new row and this is a new column. And second method for the inserting a row, click the last cell of the table and then press a tab key. Your new row is inserted. This is a method for inserting a row and columns. Next one topic, to delete rows and columns. If you want to delete a column, you can use a delete column button, and if you want to delete a row, you can use a delete row button. Let's do the practical and see how to delete a row and columns in the writer document. So first of all, select a row which you want to delete. I am selecting a last one row and then click a delete row button and then select a column which you want to delete. Then click a delete column button. This is a method for deleting a row and columns. And next one topic is splitting of cells. Splitting of cells means to split a cell into a number of cells. For this, you should have a table already created. Let's do the practical and see how to split up cells. Here I am already created a table. I want to split subject column. First of all, select the rows and then click a split cells, and this window will be appear. Here two direction, horizontal and vertical. I am selecting vertically and then select a split cells. I am selecting 5 and then click a OK button. So subject column is splitted into a 5 columns. Then fill the entries: Hindi, English, Maths, Science and SST. These are the main subjects for class 9th and 10th. Next one topic, merging of cells. Merging of cells means turning two or more cells into a one cell or combining two or more cells into a one cell. To merge cell, rows, columns, first select the cell, row, column which you want to merge. Let's do the practical and see how to merge a cell in a writer document. Select a 2 cell and then click a merge cell button, and again select a 2 cell and then click a merge cell button, and then same select a 2 cell and then click a merge cell button. This is the method for merging of cells. Next one topic, deleting a table. Follow these steps for deleting a table. Let's do the practical and see how to delete a table. This is a very simple method. First of all, click anywhere in a table and then click a table menu and then click a delete and then select a table, and your table is deleted. Next one topic, copying a table. Follow these steps for copying a table. It's a very simple method for copying a table. Let's do the practical and see how to copy and paste it. First of all, select a table and then right click and then click a copy option. Then click a position where you want to copy this table. Right click and then paste. This is the method for copying a table. You can use a shortcut key also, Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V plus paste. Next one topic, moving a table. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to move a table. First of all, click anywhere in a table and then click a table menu and then click a select option and then select a table. Press Ctrl X or the cut icon in the standard toolbar. This step removes the content of the cells but leaves the empty cells, which must be removed in the last step. Move the cursor to the target position and then click on it. Fix the insertion point. And press Ctrl V. Otherwise, click the paste icon in the standard toolbar. This pastes the cells and their content and formatting also. Return the original table. Click somewhere in it, then select a table menu and then click a delete and select a table. This is a method for moving a table. So dear friends, in this video you learn about create and work with tables in the writer document. In the next video we will discuss a new topic, use print options. If this video is helpful for you, then hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do it now and also press the bell icon. Share this video to your friends and relatives so that my video can reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.